welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here. In today's video I have a limited edition Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. Now this is from the Jeffree Star mystery Valentine's boxes. This is the mystery liquid lipstick shade, and you guys know I had to get it. I think I ended up paying $40 from it, from someone that didn't want it from their box, but I paid for it. I got it. I'm excited. It appears on the top to have a broken heart and a question mark on it, so it's like the mystery broken heart shade. So I think that is probably to do with Nathan, you know how they split up, so he's probably like, oh, you know, this is just like the broken heart one. So let's crack onto the lipstick. That's what you guys are here for. Let's crack on into this and see what it looks like. So this is the box here. It is so cute with the pink stars. I was like, is it going to be a red metallic on the inside? That's exactly what I was thinking, and yes, it is. So we'll open her up and see what she looks like. Ta-da! So this is definitely a shade that has not been done before. It's a very pretty shade as well. Like, I quite like it. Alright, so we're going to swatch it. It's kind of like an almost, like, I don't know, a brownie pink red. I don't know. I'm really loving the color. It's so pretty. Like, it looks like it would actually be very, very wearable. Like, look at that. It's like super pretty. Super pretty. Yeah, it's like kind of like a brownie pinky color. I don't know, but if you come closer we'll put it on the lips and we'll see what she looks like on the mouth. But yeah, I think it's a really, really pretty color. Like, I don't know, I think it's super pretty. I love it. I can't stop saying it's pretty, but that's okay. Alright, so let's put this shade on the mouth. So yeah, I think I'm just calling it the broken heart mystery shade because I feel like that's like what it is. So I'm just going to dip in again and let's get swatching. Oh, I love this. Alrighty, so that is it on there, and putting it on the mouth, it does seem like it's a bit more brown. I think definitely like this, it looks super pretty, and also with my eye look, I'm like with the purple, it looks pretty freaking cute. Like, look at that. I know, I think it's a very, very wearable metallic, and I really, really like it. And I honestly don't think that there's any shade like it so far, so I can't be doing any dupes for you guys because I have been trying to dupe the like mystery shades, because then if you have missed out on the mystery shades you're able to get something that's like it. But I know, I think it's a nice understated kind of metallic color. I think it's cute. Like, I don't know, I feel like I could wear this out. It's like weird because it's like a, not a rose gold, but it's like a like pinky gold brownie color. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. It's a really unique color and I feel like it would go with many, many looks, and I'm just like, if you don't have this, you're probably going to want to get your hands on it because I'm actually in love with it. I think it's really cute. I don't know. I'm like, I know, I'm just feeling really cute, like warm and sniggly, like Valentine's. Like, I don't know. The color I just think is so stunning. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. So yes. What do I think of the Jeffree Star Broken Heart? It makes me so sad. The Broken Heart mystery shade from the mystery box. I love this shade. I think it's pretty. The only thing that I would do is if he has mystery shades, he should be having them like with a different lid. Do you get what I mean? Like one of the lids, I think the mystery shade that was in one of the collections, it had like a green lid. So I'm like, just make them all have like purple lids or something. Like, I don't know. Make me have a different colored lid so it's like the mystery limited edition lipsticks. But honestly, this is a super cute lipstick, and if you guys don't have it, you're gonna want to get it because it is amazing. It looks cute, it feels nice and lightweight, and it's definitely a unique color that he has not brought out yet. So that is my review on it there. I definitely feel like he needs to bring this out more because this is really, really cute, and I see a lot of people wanting to buy this. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on the Jeffree Star Broken Heart mystery shade, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this shade? Is it cute? Do I suit it? No. I'm gonna wear it tonight, I think. Okay. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!